This is a GivEnergy Smart Plug, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect it to the GivEnergy app. I've already done a video showing you how to use it, monitor your energy and save money essentially with a smart plug, so I will put a link to that video in the description. This one, again, we're going to show you how to connect it to the GivEnergy system. The first place to start is, of course, with the app itself. The vast majority of people watching this, I suspect, already in the GivEnergy ecosystem with a battery or an EV charger. If you haven't, then go to the App Store, search for GivEnergy and download the app. If you've got an Android phone, obviously that would be the Play Store. If you don't have an account, so you've not got a GivEnergy product at the moment, then create the account within the app using the instructions that the app provides. Inside the box is of course the smart plug and the instructions of what essentially I'm telling you in this video. On the back of the instructions is a verification and serial number code for each corresponding plug. That is also on the back of the plug, so realistically you can't ever lose it. Now, because this has to be plugged in during the process, you'll need the instruction manual with the codes on the back. If you've no longer got this, then either take a picture on something or just write that down. You will need those two, whether it's on the back of the instruction manual or you've just written it down on a piece of paper. Get the serial number and verification code first. Plug in the smart plug and switch it on at the wall. After that, you'll see a button on the left. That's how you turn it on and off manually rather than through the app if you ever need to. But the first thing we're going to do is hold this down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll notice that the plug then starts flashing. There we go. So it's like a fast flash. So once that's doing that, we then need to essentially repeat the process another 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will start flashing again, but this time it's a much slower flash. So that means the plug is ready. So from this point forward, it's all in the app. So this is the GivEnergy app. I have a home battery system and an EV charger from GivEnergy, so it may look slightly different to yours, depending on what GivEnergy products you've got. Now, the first thing we want to do is to make sure that the device you're using, so my phone in this case, is on the same Wi-Fi network, the SSID, that you want the smart plug to be on. Some people have more than one Wi-Fi network, 2 or 3 SSIDs for smart devices and people and other reasons. So make sure your phone, tablet, whatever it is that you're using is on the same Wi-Fi network that you want the smart plug to be on. Now we need to go to the menu. So that's top left-hand corner where you see the 3 lines right there, navigation menu. And then we want to go to the smart plugs. You can probably see in a second that I have lots of smart plugs already, so I can monitor my usage. Again, the link to the video about how you use these and monitor your energy will be in the description below. So the green circle at the bottom, I want to click on that, with the one with the plus icon in it. And then of course, click Add Plug. You'll see the instructions on here that are essentially the same as the ones I'm giving you and the ones that are in the instruction manual. So you've got them from multiple sources. Now I'm going to go and start that flashing so I can carry on. It's been a bit longer when you're filming. As you would hopefully already have from this video, that is now slowly flashing. I'm on the same Wi-Fi network that I want that to be on. So I just click Next Step. It verifies that you're on the right Wi-Fi system. Yes, I am. And now we need to change the Wi-Fi on my device so it connects to that smart plug. So I'm going to go back to my Wi-Fi settings on my phone, and you'll see one that comes up that says Smart Life dash and then any combination of letters and numbers. So I just need to connect my device to the Smart Life network. It may come up with an error saying it can't connect to the internet. That's normal, that's fine, you can just ignore that. Now go back to the GivEnergy app. And the next step will become highlighted because it knows it's connected directly to the smart plug. Click Next Step again, and it verifies that the Wi-Fi name and password are correct. Because I've done multiple plugs beforehand, this is pre-populated, it's done it for me. If this comes up, and I'm glad it has, just click Keep Trying Wi-Fi. It's because obviously the smart plug doesn't have an internet connection. So if that's not fully filled in, fill it in, and if you tick the box that says Safe Password, the next plug that you do it will all be pre-populated for you. So I'm going to click submit. That then sends the details of my Wi-Fi network to the smart plug so it can join my Wi-Fi system essentially. So this can take several seconds and we'll just wait for it to finish. Next step is the serial number and verification code. So I've still got the instruction manual, so I'm going to use that. If you wrote it down, then use that one, whatever you've got. Okay, I've done that. Submit plug details. Device setup successful. Now you may think, hang on a minute, my plug isn't there. So it can take a second or two, but all I do is just scroll it all the way down so it refreshes the app. And hopefully we should see, there we go, Smart Plug 11. See, I've got 10 already. So that's that new Smart Plug over there. So I'm going to now click on that. And on the cog in the top right hand corner, I'm going to change its name to, what shall I power that with? Lamp number 2. I'm just making something up here. Click save. You can change the colour if you want, and essentially that's it. It will now start collecting data and be available to turn on and off by pressing that on and off button, the bit that's red at the moment. So it says lamp 2, and to the right of that I'm going to click that. That now, click, that's just gone on, off camera. So that's how you can do it manually. I can set up schedules. So if I click on the smart plug now, on the bottom corner, it looks like a calendar. I can set up schedules to turn on at a certain time and then off at a certain time. It depends. You can literally do anything you want. The best way for me is to just play around with it, to learn how to use it. That's it, essentially. We are done. You've connected your smart plug. And again, if you want to see more details about saving money and things like that, watch the other video. So thank you for watching. Any questions, please do so in the comments, and please do subscribe to the channel for more things like this, as well as new products and new ways of doing some things like saving money, which is something I'm very keen on. So again, thanks for watching. See you soon.